and talking about how much snow can actually fuck your house up. Just water alone, you know, you're talking like 100 feet, 100 pounds every 10 feet. You get all that snow, you get all that ice, you kind of just compacting on your roof, compacting your gutters. If you don't have a system that has hidden hangers, some type of screwed in system, or it wasn't installed properly, you're kind of just waiting for failure, especially if you're not getting inspected once a year. Everybody should get their home inspected at least once a year. So if you'd like a free inspection during those times when you have an excessive amount of snow on your roof, ice damming, we will come out and do a free inspection and give you viable options to remove the snow, to inspect the attic, give you different possibilities on how we can help prevent ice damming, or the amount of weight up there could potentially come off your home, damage your property, harm you or your loved ones. So it is better to be proactive and get that snow removed off your roof. If you got snow sitting on your roof, don't wait, call American Home Contractors. We offer free inspections and snow removal.